Concentrating on excellent dividend stocks makes a lot of sense for long-term investors who are looking for businesses that will generate a consistent source of income for decades to come and who are looking to make their investments. Companies that pay dividends are often more stable, financially strong firms that have successfully navigated through a variety of economic cycles. These 20 stocks have solid histories of increasing their dividends on an annual basis, making them good prospects to buy and hold for the foreseeable future. Number 20. Johnson & Johnson. The company Johnson & Johnson tops the list of dividend kings. It is the most successful healthcare conglomerate in the world, and it maintains its position as an industry leader. People will always have a need for medical supplies and bandages, regardless of the economy. Payouts to shareholders are increasing thanks to healthy cash flows. Number 19. Coca-Cola. It is the largest beverage company in the world, and as a result, its array of drinks benefits from legendary brand recognition across the board. Because these goods are not absolutely necessary, they can weather economic storms quite well because people will always want to indulge in delights. Number 18. Procter & Gamble. Procter & Gamble is responsible for the production and marketing of consumer staples such as Bounty paper towels and Tide detergent. In order to maintain dividend growth across many decades, the corporation uses a methodical methodology that strikes a balance between dividend growth and investments in the business. Number 17. AT&T. It is a media and telecommunications behemoth that has consistent cash flows as a result of its subscriptions to wireless, pay TV, and fiber internet services. T has a dividend yield of 4.1%, making it an attractive investment for income investors. Number 16. Verizon Corporation. Verizon, which is the top wireless carrier in the United States alongside AT&T, manages roughly one-third of the mobile users in the country. Its significant investments in 5G network build-outs will be the primary drivers of future growth. Number 15. 3M Company. 3M is a global leader in the marketing of new products and has a varied product portfolio that includes industrial, transportation, electronics, healthcare, and consumer goods. A dividend growth history of over 60 years demonstrates consistent profitability over a variety of economic cycles. Number 14. Johnson Controls. It is a world-famous company that supplies intelligent building goods and controls that are also good for the environment. Because its solutions are infrastructure-based, there will always be a consistent demand for them as long as properties strive to improve. Number 13. Lowe's. Lowe's, the industry-leading supplier of home improvement products, saw remarkable expansion throughout the period of time between 2010 and 2023. Lowe's is in a good position to continue generating cash thanks to the success of its online retail business. Number 12. Walgreens Boots Alliance. It is a multinational corporation that owns and runs retail drugstore chains as well as wholesale drug delivery networks in 25 countries. The fact that its healthcare items are essential rather than elective means that the company can count on consistent revenue. Number 11. Chevron. Chevron is a behemoth in the oil industry all over the world thanks to its market valuation of $230 billion. The huge scale on which it operates across oil and natural gas production, refining, and chemical manufacturing provides stability. A century of unbroken dividends is evidence of a resilient company. Number 10. Chubb Limited. Chubb, a market leader in the field of property and casualty insurance, offers protection to individuals, as well as coverage to commercial clients and large corporations all over the world. A track record of steadily increasing dividend payments dating back more than 25 years demonstrates the company's ability to weather the effects of volatile market conditions. Number 9. Diageo. A significant producer of alcoholic beverages, Diageo is responsible for such well-known brands as Guinness, and the company has been consistently paying dividends for almost 30 years. The development of emerging markets offers more opportunities for growth. Number 8. PepsiCo Incorporated. It has one of the most significant brand portfolios in the world thanks to its products, which include Frito-Lay snacks, Pepsi soft drinks, and Quaker meals. Through economies of scale and improved operational efficiencies, it has maintained a consistent pattern of yearly dividend growth for almost 40 years. Number 7. McDonald's. McDonald's, the global leader in the fast food industry, may be the one corporation that best exemplifies consistency. Over the course of more than 4 decades, McDonald's has steadily increased the prices that it charges its franchisees in order to boost both earnings and payouts. which ensures that shareholders will continue to receive money. Number 6. ExxonMobil. Exxon, the world's largest publicly traded oil business, is able to generate vast amounts of cash. The total shareholder returns continue to be quite enticing thanks to the company's new carbon capture activities and its 4% dividend yield. Number 5. Stanley Black & Decker. It is an industry leader in the production of tools, hardware, and safety and security solutions. Over the course of more than a century, SWK has evolved its DeWalt and Craftsman brands to meet the needs of both the industrial and consumer markets. The fact that it has increased its dividend for more than 50 years in a row displays stability and foresight. Return on investment for long-term stockholders is 2.9% total yield. Number 4. Target. Target's expanding e-commerce capabilities and same-day fulfillment possibilities propelled the company to new heights despite the retail disruptions of the year 2020. TT has been able to maintain its streak of year-over-year dividend increases thanks to the consistent revenue from its physical stores. With a yield of 1.6%, continuous cash flows guarantee a growing income and competitive returns over the course of several years. Number 3. American Tower. It is a market-leading owner, operator, and developer of multi-tenant communications real estate with a footprint in 26 countries across the world. Long-term lease contracts with large telecom tenants such as Verizon generate exceptionally obvious cash flows a number of decades in advance. Since AMT went public in 2012, the company has increased dividend payments by more than 20% each year on average through 2023. This up-and-coming REIT offers significant potential both for income and appreciation in the future. Number 2. Microsoft. Once seen as too volatile, Microsoft has transformed into one of the most stable blue-chip stocks trading today. Its reliable earnings and mountain of cash now come from ubiquitous software and cloud services rather than one-off technology upgrades. The 1.8% dividend has doubled in 5 years and isn't stopping, supported by profitability across Windows, Office 365, Azure, and more. Number 1. International Business Machines. Big Blue is reinventing itself again through fast-growing cloud and AI businesses. While legacy operations decline, new operations are growing rapidly. The company pays out $6.5 billion annually to shareholders through a very reliable 4.6% dividend yield. After 25 straight years of dividend growth and a massive $9 billion cash hoard, IBM's income stream looks very assured no matter the eventual corporate transition. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.